student, today we will study about negative sentence. What is a negative sentence? A negative sentence is a sentence which has no or not in it. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस वो सेंटेंस होते हैं जिसमें क्या होता है, नो होता है या नॉट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉज नॉट टायर्ड, तो इस सेंटेंस में क्या है, नॉट. तो इसलिए कौन सा सेंटेंस हुआ, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. आई हैव नो मनी, he does not have an umbrella, she has no idea. All these sentences are negative sentence. There are different ways of making a sentence negative. First point, when the verb is some form of a be form. Am, is, are, was, were. It is a be form. We put not after the verb to make the sentence negative. I am glad. I am not glad. After helping verb am, we write not. He is excited for the match. He is not. After helping verb in the sentence is not excited for the match. The money was enough to fulfill our needs. The money was not enough to fulfill our need. In this sentence, be form was. After be form, we write not. The snails are enormous in size. In this sentence, helping verb, be form of verb, are. After are, we write not. The snails are not enormous in size. We were happy with our result. We were not happy with our result. All these sentences we put after be form not. It is make negative sentence. B point. When the verb is have, has, or had, we use do not have, does not have, or did not have to make the sentence negative. Some examples here. I have a big mansion. I do not have a big mansion. She has a school named after her. She does not have a school named after her. They had a test yesterday. They did not have a test yesterday. With, have, and has. With have we use, when a subject I we use do not have, and when subject singular number we use does not, and when helping verb had we use did not have for making a sentence negative. When the verb is made up of two or more words, we put not after the first word to make the sentence negative. For example, Vani is jumping on the trampoline. Vani is not jumping on the trampoline. The parcel has arrived. The parcel has not arrived. Has helping verb, arrived main verb. So we put not after has. Money can jump high. Money cannot jump high. The tourist will visit Kaziranga today. The tourist will not visit Kaziranga today. Parents should be strict. Parents should not be strict. D point. To make certain imperative sentences negative, we put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence or just before the verb. Walk on the grass. Do not walk on the grass. Please leave your shoes outside. Please do not leave your shoes outside. Some exercise here. Make the following sentences negative. The sack of rice is heavy. The sack of rice is not heavy. I am frustrated with my job. I am not frustrated with my job. Am, after am we write not. I am not frustrated with my job. The student has solved all the sums. The student has not solved all the sums. Water these plants weekly. Water these plants weekly. It is an imperative sentence. Do not water these plants weekly. We can lift the bag. We cannot lift the bag. Run fast. Do not run fast. I am feeling cold today. I am not feeling cold today. Schools have security system. Schools have no security system. I had lychees and mangoes for breakfast. I did not have lychee and mangoes for breakfast. The dairies are closed today. The dairies are not closed today. I hope you understand very well all these negative sentences. Thank you.